Welcome to House Lux Estate, your go-to channel for all things real estate and investment. We're here to guide you through the intricate maze of property investment, offering expert advice, tips, and insights to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're delving into an intriguing aspect of the investment world: niche markets. We'll explore how smart investments in these lesser-known areas can potentially maximize your financial returns. So, buckle up for an enlightening journey into the world of niche market investments. Stay tuned to discover the secret to successful investing in niche markets. First, it's crucial to understand what a niche market is. A niche market is a specialized segment of the broader market that caters to a specific group of customers. These customers have unique needs and preferences that aren't fully addressed by mainstream providers. Picture a giant marketplace bustling with various sellers. Somewhere in that marketplace, there's a small specialized corner where a certain group of customers gather. This corner is your niche market. It's smaller, yes, but it's also less crowded, less competitive, and full of customers who are passionate about the specialized products or services offered. So, why are these niche markets potentially profitable? Well, the beauty of niche markets is that they present unique opportunities for investors. Since they are less crowded and have a more specific target audience, businesses operating within niche markets often face less competition. This can lead to higher profit margins and a more loyal customer base. Moreover, businesses in niche markets are often better positioned to become leaders in their field. They can focus on a specific product or service and perfect it instead of spreading their resources thin across many areas. This can lead to a stronger brand, better customer relationships, and ultimately, higher returns for investors. Additionally, niche markets are often more resilient to economic downturns. While mainstream markets can be heavily affected by economic changes, niche markets can remain stable due to their specialized focus and loyal customer base. But remember, investing in niche markets is not a one-size-fits-all strategy. It requires a deep understanding of the market, the customer base, and the product or service being offered. It also requires patience and a long-term view, as the best returns often come from long-term growth and customer loyalty. Now that you have a grasp on what a niche market is, let's delve into how you can capitalize on these opportunities. Investing in niche markets doesn't have to be a daunting task. The key is to understand the process and make informed decisions. Let's break this process down into easy-to-follow steps. Firstly, you'll need to identify potential niche markets. These are typically smaller, specialized segments of larger markets that cater to a specific, often overlooked customer base. It could be anything from gourmet pet food to handmade artisanal soaps. The trick is to find a market that piques your interest and has potential for growth. Once you've identified some potential markets, it's time to roll up your sleeves and conduct some market research. This involves understanding your target audience, their preferences, and their buying habits. You'll also want to study your competition. What are they offering? How can you differentiate yourself? Market research tools such as Google Trends or SEMrush can be helpful in gaining these insights. Now that you've got a good understanding of your niche market, it's time to analyze its profitability. This is where financial analysis comes into play. You'll want to look at factors such as market size, growth rate, and profitability. It's crucial to understand that while niche markets may be smaller, they often command higher profit margins due to their specialized nature. Next, you'll want to evaluate the risks associated with your chosen market. Every investment comes with some degree of risk, and niche markets are no exception. Some common risks include market volatility, competitive threats, and regulatory changes. However, with careful planning and risk management, these can often be mitigated. Once you've done all your homework, it's time to make your investment. This could involve starting your own business, investing in a small company operating in your chosen niche, or buying stocks of larger companies that are tapping into these markets. Remember, the goal is to make a smart investment, not necessarily the biggest one. Now let's talk about patience. Investing is a long-term game, and it's important to be patient and give your investment time to grow. It's also crucial to keep an eye on your investment and the market conditions. Be ready to adapt and make changes as necessary. Finally, always be on the lookout for new opportunities. Niche markets are dynamic, and what works today may not work tomorrow. Always be ready to explore new markets and diversify your investments. Investing in niche markets can be rewarding, but it requires dedication, research, and a keen eye for detail. But don't be intimidated. With the right approach and mindset, You can discover opportunities that others might overlook and make profits that many only dream of. By following these steps, you're well on your way to making a smart investment in a niche market. So, get out there and start exploring the world of niche markets. Who knows, your next big investment could be just around the corner. But how can you ensure you're maximizing your returns? Well, it's not as daunting as it might sound. Here are some tips and strategies that can help you maximize financial returns from niche markets. First off, diversification. You've probably heard this one before, but it's worth repeating. Do not put all your eggs in one basket. Investing in a variety of niche markets can help spread risk and potentially increase returns. Diversification isn't just about investing in different sectors, but also about investing in different types of assets within those sectors. Next up, stay informed. The more you understand about your chosen niche markets, the better your chances of making smart investment decisions. This means keeping up with market trends, news, and developments in your chosen sectors. A well-informed investor is a successful investor. And speaking of being well-informed, don't forget to educate yourself about the specific risks associated with niche markets. These markets often have unique challenges and risks that mainstream markets do not. By understanding these risks, you can better manage them and protect your investments. Now let's talk about patience. Rome wasn't built in a day, and your investment portfolio won't be either. Investments in niche markets often require time to mature and yield returns, so don't be in a rush to see results. Patience can often be the key to maximizing your returns. Lastly, consider working with a financial advisor. They can provide valuable advice and guidance, especially when it comes to niche markets. They can help you identify promising opportunities, manage risks, and devise a strategy that aligns with your financial goals. And remember, investing is not a one-size-fits-all endeavor. What works for one person may not work for another. So it's crucial to tailor your investment strategy to your specific needs, goals, and risk tolerance. With these strategies in your arsenal, you're equipped to maximize your returns from niche market investments. So don't let the complexity of niche markets intimidate you. With the right approach and a bit of perseverance, you can unlock the potential of these markets and boost your financial returns. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We began by understanding the concept of niche markets, these unique, tailored spaces within a larger market that offer distinct opportunities for savvy investors. We dove into the characteristics that set them apart, including their specific customer base, specialized products or services, and the unique value they offer. Moving on, we walked through the steps of investing in these niche markets. We highlighted the importance of thorough research, identifying potential markets, understanding the demand and competition, and finally making the investment. Remember, the key is to find a niche you're passionate about, one that's ripe for investment and also aligns with your financial goals. We also discussed tips for maximizing returns from your niche market investments. We emphasized diversifying your portfolio, staying informed about market trends, and the importance of patience. Investing is a long-term game, and the niche markets are no exception. Our journey today highlighted the immense potential of niche markets and how they can be leveraged to maximize financial returns. It's about finding the right balance between risk and reward and making informed decisions. Thanks for tuning in to House Lux Estate. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful videos on real estate investment. Until next time.